Hello, welcome to the second series of the number drawing. We'll draw from 5 to 10 today. Let's get started. So keep some papers and pencils ready. Let's begin to make number 5. So make a proper 5 like this. So now we can convert this number into a human or a caricature kind of a face. It's a cartoonic face. So the top portion, the top line that we can see there, we can make a eye out of it. So just take a measurement. So the split that number into two parts and then give that much of space to create eye like that. And even in the straight line also take the exact middle point to connect to the 5, the top line. And now we can make a eye. So measurement is very important. So when you just find out the middle points and then make a curvy line, so this will give a good look. And we can shadow it, the eyelid. So later we can darken it, but now we can make a light shadow. And the pencil that I am using is 8B Apsara pencil. You get these pencils from any of the stationery shops. Ask for specially dark Apsara pencils, either 6B or 8B, 4B, like that. So even other pencils also you can use. The only problem with HB and 2B and these pencils, you need to press it hard to get the darkness. With these pencils 8B, so with a little press you will get a good darkness. So that is the advantage. So now when you make the teeth, and we can make a tongue. So tongue we can bring it outside, like we can extend the tongue similar to the venom. So slightly make a shadow also, so that the drawing becomes three-dimensional. We are not drawing fully three-dimensional, but wherever required, so we can shadow a bit. So now we can make a eyebrow. So extend that line to the top and start making hairs. So making this type of cartoonish faces is easy, but we need to make sure that the parts of the drawing that we make should be look properly. And The hairs also, when you make, we don't have to make it a realistic human face, but we are making like a cartoon character. So yes, when you extend the hairs, the back of the head, then come down a little bit. From there you can make the neck line. Now I am holding the pencil differently so that I can put a little pressure so that the line become darker again. So you can also hold the pencil like how I am holding. This will make very, you can achieve the darker line with this holding. So normally most of the drawing you can do with holding this, but especially when you are start making initial lines, it should be very thin. You should not put too much of a pressure, so that if you make any mistake you can erase it quickly without damaging the paper. So if you darken it, you should be sure that you are not going to erase it. Then only we can put a pressure, and otherwise you need to, throughout the drawing you should make a very light line. So just see that how it looks now after making a shadow. So I am keeping little bit of white space also there so that it works like a highlight of the tongue. I haven't made any of the line darker, so when I sure I don't want to erase, so I am making it darker. So you also do the same thing. Start with a very light, pressure should be very light, and the overall shape we should achieve. So that should be the goal when we are starting, and when we are pretty much sure that the structure is perfect, then we can start darkening the lines. So next we can start with the number 6. Make a small 6 in the center of the paper like that, and then from there we can start drawing the eye, nose and the head, ear, etc. So at the bottom, so the 6 here in this drawing is like a nose, so that we can convert 6 into a nose, right? So then you can imagine where exactly that eyes would come and mouth will come, chin, etc. So first let us make a big oval shape, so that it becomes easier for us to bring the eye, mouth and ear, etc. So just make a big oval shape like this, and after that we can start making eye. So once you make the eyebrows, so just see that we are making almost like a three-dimensional image. So we can see only the one eye, but we can see a little bit of other eyebrow, and nose is covering the eye, so we don't have to draw that line. Now we'll make a big mustache. Even if you are using a pen or pencil, so try to darken it whenever I am darkening any of the parts here. Now that is the forehead, and from there we'll make hairs, and then we can draw a cap. Let's see so how we can make. So we need to extend the line to the top, and then we can start now making a face from the 7. Let's see how can we translate this. What you can see by just looking at the 7, I am finding it as mouth, so I am just drawing teeth there, and now it appears like open mouth. Yeah, it has become more evident now. Now let's begin to make nose. Just extend that line and make a small dark circle there, and then extend that line. See, now that looks like a nose, and this is open mouth. So draw an eye and just shade a little bit, and eyebrows. So it's already looks like a face, and now we can make a chin on the neck area. Let's begin to make a ear. Start making the hairs. forehead and the face. Now make a big circle properly so that just darken this circle part so that becomes a haze. The person smilingly looking at somewhere on the top. So when you make this kind of a drawing, maybe you can ask your family members and your friends, ask them to find out what they can find in the face, ask them to find a number, and I'm sure they will be able to find out. If not, you can help them. Now make a big 8 in that shape, and now we can translate this number into a sage face and make a ear and connect it from the half circle and shadow it so that becomes a head and hairs of the sage. Now let's make a very light line, and this is just for the reference for us for the eye and eyebrow, and so that's where when you make the eye and eyelids, the number 8 is still visible and it is looking very nice. And now for sage, mustache and long beard we have to make. So apart from this, you can also make many drawings with these numbers, so you can explore in your free time. You can make a bird from 8 and many more things. So you just let us now start making drawing from the number 9. Make a small 9 center of the page, and we can make a big oval. Now make a big oval. So just by making that oval itself, it is looking like a face. So proportionately make a ear there, and we'll translate this circle, the round circle of the 9, into specks. We can still make another specks of the other side with a small line and eyebrow. Darken the line a bit. See, we can still see the number 9. So when we make this kind of a line and suddenly it looks person is smiling, so always the lip lines goes upwards, so that is an indication that the person is smiling. And if the line goes down, then the person is sad. So you can just experiment and play with the lines, or you might have seen some smileys that will give an indication. So you can hold the pencil in multiple ways. So now I am holding the pencil just for the initial rough sketches purpose, but if I want to darken the lines, then I hold it differently. And now I want to darken the line, so I'm holding differently now. So you can observe this. So make little darker everywhere. So hairs. So this is the 8B pencil that I am just showing you. So you also get these pencils on the supermarket, especially where you get the stationery items, books, pencils. Ask them 6B or 8B. So use those pencils for drawing purpose. So even though this is a dark pencil, so I am still using it as a very light. So you need to be very careful when you are using such a 6B or 8B pencils. Don't press it hard. Now let's make a face and a bird with the number 10. So 1 we can make as a bird, and 0 we can make a face. We can make a flamingo, so with the number 1. Make a big long neck, and then the face, make an eye. Your flamingo is standing. Make a long leg and another one. Now from the 0 we can make a small 2 ovals for making eye, and make this character looking at the bird, and especially when you make eyelids, make on the top very tiny circle, half circle, and eyebrow and nose, and the person is looking at the bird with a very big smile, so its teeth are visible. Make a ear, and we can make hairs. Hope you enjoyed the entire video, the part 1 and part 2, and share this video with your friends, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.